Hey there, Mark Newman-Kuzel, President and CEO of Maine USA, and today I'm going to teach you how to get rid of wet dog smell out of your furniture. The products you're going to need, the first one is Nature's Miracle. I like to use a soft microfiber rag. Air freshener pad should always have a nice fragrant candle. And Febreze. And before you use these products, I highly recommend don't even let them in the house until you towel dry them. That's your first mistake. Towel dry them first. Then what you want to do is get over to the furniture in question. You'd like to just take some Febreze, spray that in, let it soak. For the sake of timeliness, we're going to just do this really quickly, but I'd give it about a 15-20 minute time span to soak. Put your pillows back that you're going to be leaning against. Spray those as well. Last but not least, always have a candle on hand, at least one, same fragrance. Put it in the home, light it somewhere. And that's how you get rid of wet dog smell on your furniture. I'm Mark Newman-Kuzel, President of Maine USA.